Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now we have to tap on Advanced, and right under it we've got Reset Options, and here on the second position we've got option we are looking for, so simply tap on it, and right now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. Remember that that you cannot undo this action, so if you already tap on Reset Settings again, and as you can see the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.